Kukisin Mizo Furuk Kisar Kumai Chavang Kut Nasi Manipur the Pangtuk Nari Manipur the Lady Kukichin Mizo Kamlupki Mahi Murung Lokpugi Amatangaraba Kut Festival Chay Sigoina COVID-19 Maramoraga Maming Takiwaina Pangtuk Nari Kumai State Kitata State Level Kut Committee Sindura Infalgi Kuki Inda Pangtoki Kumai Marilan National Level Court Committee Secretary Suwerba Manipur Police ki Additional DGP P Dongel na Manipur Miam the Yape Pausel Pirakli Tharmal the Kuki Furuki Masak Naib Luching Panma Yabade Court Festival Natraga Chabang Kut Harib Kumayase Lamdam Masada Kundamina River Furuk Kang Punamak Nasaruki Yaduna Harau Tayamna Samin Taminaduna Pangto Kumayamane Kumayase Pangto Gamaru Pandam de Kumamagi Mai Morung Lopalor Matunda Sanabi Amasung Lining Lashon Galonana Harau Tayamba Pongdokpani Numina Sida State Amade District Takta Beauty Contest to Chingba Pangtokpa Amade in Kalagina Isha Sakpa Zago Isaba The Konamagi Lam the Changdam Nabakasu Pangtok Naduna Laki Bane, Haribatorum sing as say yes, Sigawinade, Pangtok Laroi Hanasu, Fongdokre.
I would like to say that we are very happy. First, as Chin Kuki Mizo Group, we are able to celebrate this festival in spite of COVID-19 and so many other problems. And I would also like to say that we would like to bring a message of peace and love among all the people who are living in Manipur.